Lesson 7. Mystery of the Missing Ship. On 5th November 1872, a ship named Dei Gratia set out its journey from New York. On 4th December, it saw another ship which was moving unsteadily at a short distance. The ship was jolting from one side to other. It seemed to be out of control. The captain of Dei Gratia, Captain Briggs, drew closer to see if he could offer any help. He signaled to the other ship, but there was no reply. So he lowered a boat, and with the second mate and a sailor, they sailed near the unsteady ship. They read the name of the ship, Mary Celeste. They boarded the deck and shouted, "Is there no one here?" But no crew member came forward to receive them. The Mary Celeste was sailing itself alone across the Atlantic Ocean. As they searched the ship for clues, Captain Briggs and the men from Dei Gratia found a number of strange things. There was plenty of food and water on the ship. Breakfast was arranged on the captain's table in his cabin. Everything on the ship was undamaged and in its proper place. At first, Captain Briggs suspected mutiny. Perhaps the crew had killed the captain of Mary Celeste and sailed away. The ship's lifeboats were missing. Inside the captain's cabin, the ship's logbook was found. Daily entries had been written in it. The last entry was for 10 days earlier. Since then, the ship had sailed 400 miles on the rough seas. Someone must have been on the ship to keep it sailing. But who? And where was he? According to the official investigation, 10 people had sailed on the Mary Celeste. The captain, 7 crewmen, and the captain's wife and daughter. None of them was ever seen again. The explanation was that the crew had murdered the captain and his family. Then they had escaped in the lifeboat to another ship. But what ship did they escape to, and where did it sail to? There was no sign of a struggle or fight on board. Other strange theories also came to light. Perhaps the ship had been attacked by any sea monster. Or perhaps the crew and passengers had been sucked off the ship by a giant water spout. None of these explanations has been accepted as the real one. So after more than 100 years, the mystery of Mary Celeste still remains unsolved. A. Choose